Hello, myself Rakesh Patil. I am mechanical engineering student from North Maharashtra University. Today's topic is JDK. What is JDK? JDK is a JDK is a stands for the Java Development Tool. is is a software development environment which is used to develop Java application and applies it physically exists. It contains JRE development tools. JDK is an implementation of a once below given Java platform released by Oracle Corporation. Standard Edition Java platform, Enterprises Edition Java platform, Micro Edition Java platform. Components of the JDK. Applet Viewer. This is tools use run debug Java applets without web browsing. Apt. It is a annotation processing tool. PIDG. An ideal Java compiler. This is used generate Java bindings from Java ideal files. Job switch. It is a Java access bridge expose access technology on Microsoft Windows system. Java. The loader Java application. This is tool interpreter can be interrupt to the class file generated by the Java compiler. Now single launcher. It is used both development and deployment. JAVAC. JAVAC is a specified Java compiler which converts source code into Java bytecode. JavaDoc. JavaDoc, the documentation generator which automatically generated documentation from the source code commands. This what is JRE? JRE is a environment is the part of Java development kit. It is freely available software distribution which is have Java class library specific tools and standalone JVM. It is the most common environment available on a device runtime progress. It also includes technology which gets used development deployment such as Java Web Start. Integration libraries like Java database, connectivity, and Java naming and dictionary interpretation. What is JRE consist of? JRE consists of following components: deployment technology such as development, Java plugin, Java Web Start, user interface toolkit, including abstract windows toolkit, Swing, Java, 2D, printer service, sound, and input methods. Integrated libraries include interface different definition language, Java database, connectivity, Java naming, and Java directory interface, remote method, invoice, and protocol and scripting. Other base libraries include international support, input, output, extensive mechanism, bin, Java management extensive, Java native interference, mass networking, overrated mechanism, security, Java XML processing, Lang, and until base libraries including Lang, Zip, Java Architect, collection concurrency, utilization management, logging, Java virtual machine which compress of server virtual machine and Java hotspot client. JVM. JVM architecture, Java virtual machine, international architecture, and it is an abstract machine is a specified that provide runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. JVM are available for many hardware and software platforms. JVM is a platform dependent. What is JVM? What is JVM? It is a specified where working of JVM Java virtual machine is specified, but implementation provide independence to choose the algorithm. Is implementation has been provided by Oracle and other companies. The runtime instant whenever you write Java command on the command prompt to run the Java class and instead of JVM created, what does the JVM platform following operations? What does the Java loads code, verified code, executed code, provide runtime environment. JVM provide definition for the memory area, class file format, register set, garbage collection heap, fatal error reporting etc. JVM architecture. Let's understand international architecture of JVM. It consists of cross-loader, memory area, execution engine. JVM architecture. First is Class loader. Class loader is a subsidiary of JVM which is use load class files. Whenever the runs the Java program is loaded first on a cross loader, there built-in cross loader in Java. Bootstrap class loader. This is first class loader which superclass of extensive class loader. Jar files which contain all call files, Java standard edition, Java lang package, net packaging, until packaging, SQL packaging classes, extension class loader. This is a child class loader of Bootstrap and parent class loader of system class loader. A virtual processing interpreter read bytecode stream executed instruction just in a time compiler. It is used to improve performance. JIT compiler bytecode they have similar functionalities sometimes, hence reduce amount of time needed as compiler. Hence the compiler refuse to translate and virtual machine the instruction set specified. The Java is a framework which provide interference communication another application like language like C++, assembly and JVM outsourced libraries. Thank you for watching.